असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय. Now exercise 14.1 row number 7. Look at the question. To find out the concentration of SO2 in the air in parts per million, that is ppm, the data was collected for 30 localities in a certain city and is presented below. Look at the table. Concentration of SO2 in ppm. ppm is nothing but parts per million. So given data 0.002, 0.04, 0.042, 0.08, 0.082, 0.12, 0.122, 0.16, 0.162, 0.20, 0.202, 0.24. So these are the ppm quantities in respective cities. So given frequency, look at the frequency ones. So concentration of SO2 in ppm 0.002, 0.04, frequency is 4. So 4 cities having the 0.002, 0.04 SO2 in the air. Okay. Next 0.042, 0.09, 9 cities, 0.082, 0.12 ppm, 9 cities again, 0.12, 0.16, 2 cities, 0.162, 0.20, 4 cities, 0.202, 0.24 ppm in 2 cities. Now we have to find the mean concentration of SO2 in the air. Now I am going to use here direct method to find the mean of the SO2. So instead of using direct method, we may use deviation method as well as step deviation also. Okay. So it is no need to go for deviation and step deviation. So it is convenient to use here direct method. So I am going to use a direct method. So these are the frequencies given and these are the class intervals of SO2 in ppm, right. So to find Xi, what is the formula? So class mark is equals to lower limit plus upper limit by 2. So what is the lower limit in the first one? 0.002, 0.04. So 0.00 is the lower limit and 0.04 is the upper limit by 2. It is nothing but 0.04 by 2, 2 ones are 0.02. Okay. So first class mark is 0.02. Is it clear? Yes. Next, second one, 0.04 plus 0.08 by 2. It is nothing but 0.12 by 2. So 2 ones are 0 as it is. So 0.06 it is. Okay. Right. So 0.06. Next coming to third one, 0.08 plus 0.12 by 2. It is nothing but so 0.20 it is. Okay. 0.20 by 2. So 0.10 it is. So 0.10. Next coming to fourth one, I think. Yes, fourth one. 0.12 plus 0.16 by 2. It is nothing but 16 plus 12, 18, 28. 0.28 by 2, 2 ones are 0.14. Okay. So 0.14 is the class mark. And next one 0.16 to 0.20. So 0.16 plus 0.20 by 2, it is nothing but 0.36 by 2, 2 ones are 0 as it is 218. It means 0.18 is the class mark. Next 0.20 plus 0.24 by 2, It is nothing but, so 0.44 by 2. 2 ones are 0, 2 twos are, okay, 2 twos are 2 twos are. So nothing but 0.22 is the class mark. Now what we have to do? So these are the class marks we got here, right? So I am going to erase this. Right. Now we have to multiply this f as well as x. It means fi into xi we have to do here. So now fi into xi, 4 into 0.02. So nothing but 0.08, and this one 0. Make it larger, 0.9 into 0.06, it is nothing but 0.54. Okay, 9 6 is 54. 0.54 is. Next 9 into 0.10, nothing but 0.90, isn't it? Next 2 into 0.14, it means 0.28 it is. Next 4 into 0.18, nothing but 0.72 it is, isn't it? Right. Next 2 into 0.22, so it's nothing but 0.44 here, okay, right. These are the fi xi values. So what is the formula for direct method? Direct method I am going to use, okay. So what is the formula? AM, nothing but x bar is equals to sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So we have to find here sigma fi xi and sigma fi values. Sigma fi xi is nothing but sum of all these values. So look at here. So 4, 2, 6, 6, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 4, 26, 6 here, 2 carry, 6, 6 plus 7, 13, 6 plus 7, 13, 14, 15, 15, 20, 29. So 9 here, 2 carry. So this is 2, point dash is 2.96. So sigma fi xi is nothing but 2.96, and sigma fi 18, 20, 20, 30. So sigma fi we got here 30, okay. So sigma fi 30. Now substitute the values in the formula. So what we get? So x bar is nothing but sigma fi xi by sigma fi. So 2.96 is the sigma fi xi. 2.96 by sigma fi value 30, isn't it? Right. Next, so take the, so remove this decimal point, it becomes 296. 30 into multiply with 100, okay. So by removing decimal point, I am taking the 100 here in the denominator. So next 2 ones are 2 fours are 1 is 8, 148. 2 ones are 2 fours are 8, 1 carry, 2 is 16, 2 50s are, okay. Next 148 by 30 into 50, 2 74s, 2 25s, 2 3s are, 2 7s are, 2 15s are, okay. So what becomes 37 by 15 into 25. So 25 into 15 is nothing but 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10, 12, and 25 as it is 5 7 375. Nothing but 37 by 375 here. So this is the fraction we got here. We have to divide 37 by 375, right. So I am going to here. So divide 37 by 375, okay. So it is very smaller to divide. So take 0 and point here and take 0, and again it is very smaller. So take 0 here and 0 here. So 375 into 10, 37500, 3750, okay, 2750 it is. So take 375 into 9s, 9 5s are 45, 9 7s are 63, 67, 9 3s are 27, 33 it is, okay. So it is sufficient. So 0.09, it is 9, 375 into 9, 3375. There is subtraction. 10 minus 5, 5, 10 is 9 is remaining, and 9 minus 2 it is 2, 6 is remaining, 6 minus 3, 3 it is, okay, right. So next, take 0 here again, right. So 9 is a 3375, so here it is 3250. So what we do? Multiply 375 into 8. So 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 56, 60, carry 6, 8 is 24, 30. So 3000 is sufficient. So 375 6 the 3000, okay. So remaining 250, right. Shall we stop here? So we can perform one more step. So take 0 here again, 2500. So 8 is 3000. Let us try 375 into 6. 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42, 45, 4 carry, 6 3s are 18, 22, 2250. Yes, it is sufficient. So 375 7s are, it is not possible. So take 375, 6 are here, 2250. Okay, sorry, it is here, it is 8, it is 8, now it is 6, okay. Now 0.080986, so it is 250 again, okay. So it continues like that. So we need up to here enough. Now what is the answer, ma? So x bar is equals to 0.0986, okay. So this we can write x bar is equals to 0.099. It means simply we can write approximately 0.09, okay, approximately. So this is the mean of the SO2, okay, right. Take down, ma.